Hey, my name is Tanya Anderson. I put on this summit to receive the information, strategy, and learn from the world leading centuries so that we are creating success and moving forward with speeds in the acts of the wildlife footprints is creating our first sanctuary here in Denmark and also supporting the sanctuary's work through the summit. When I was a little girl, I had the dream to live the farm life, live on the country, to rescue and rehabilitate animals. When I was little, the drawing I drew on the pen with the paper was a farm, pigs, cows, grass and trees. At one point, I let go of that dream. I thought it was not okay for me to have that dream. So I chose to live close to my family. Yes, there's more to their stories. And in this year, in 2023, the little girl dream is a reality. Here is what you get. You get access to all the resources that I have done absolute for free. Because if you want to discover the secret strategies to create a sanctuary, to rescue and rehabilitate abused animals and humans, then I will ask the expert about what is the key that make them keep going from empowerment and fight the fight for serve the animals. So if you want the secret strategies, be a part of the team that create the next sanctuary and become a successful advocate that own your own voice. So this will be a great resource for you to study. Go ahead, on this page next to this video is there a place where you put your name, your email, your phone number and hit get access. When you hit get access, I will send you a welcome email with all the information about the summit and how to get access to all the free resources. Go now, put your name, your email, your phone number next to this video, hit get access and we will see each other in the free online summit in your email. See you there.